दादा अजय सर वेट 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 अक्षय सर हेल्मेट निकाली ना थोड़ा पार्टी है जरा पार्टी है ना आगे एक नंबर
अरे बाबा छोड़ ना अरे यार मदद गाड़ी को लगेगा
So, hi everybody. You've all been waiting for a long time. I'll just give you a briefer. Please welcome with a loud round of applause. I don't need to give any introduction, but 12th batch is graduating today. Navsari Surat, batch 27 and 28. And Thane Women's Self Defense Center started in December, but batch 1, 2, 3. Batch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you've been all waiting since 10 o'clock. I don't waste much of your time. I tell Akshay sir to carry on as we do every year.
I think I wouldn't want to talk much. I just want to tell you I'm so proud of you ladies, children, that you come and take part in self-defense. By the way, in the morning, not today, where's my phone? I don't know where my phone is. You know, I just read a small article. I want to read one line from 3-4 lines from there. But before that, who wants to come and talk about the experience? 1 second. Sorry, I'll just take your time. Okay, so today morning I read a news in Chandigarh. I don't know how many people you must have read about this. In Chandigarh, one girl was harassed by some VIP people's children, and so she has written on her blog, she writes, "Ladies, please be proactive about your own safety. Note the number of any vehicle that tries to harass you. Don't be afraid to call the cops. The minute it starts, call your parents, friends, if possible, and let them know when you are, where you are, and the situation you are in. Try and run in the safest way possible. Your life is paramount. If he walks towards you, use whatever you can. Scream, any kind of weapon, any kind of. Be aware of where you are walking, where you are going. It is important that you take care of yourself. You girls have to empower yourself, and that is the most important part. Okay, so I just clicked this photograph. It was there, so I just said I'll read these kind of news to you. But who wants to come and talk first? Yes. You want to come? Come. Just say your name. Where are you from? Come here. Come, you can look and talk to them.
A very good morning, sir, ma'am, and everyone present over here. I am Payal. After that, वो चीज़ें बढ़ती जा रही थी because आगे क्या हो रहा था, वो लड़का वो हस्बैंड वाइफ को और साथ में बच्चे को भी परेशान कर रहा था. शिवानी वन डे टुक करेज एंड शी वेंट ऑफ टू द होम जब वो उसे मार रहा था. और शिवानी ने जितना भी सेल्फ डिफेंस में सीखा था विस्पी सर से, उसने सब कुछ अप्लाई किया और वो बच्चे को और वो अपने जो उसकी मदर थी उनको वो अपने घर पे लेके आई और उसने फटाफट से गेट बंद कर दिया. हस्बैंड पीछे भाग के आया, इनको समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या करना है. दे कॉल्ड 100 बट शायद कॉल नहीं उठ रहा था. फिर विस्पी सर को कॉल किया. सर ने बोला आप 1091 पे भी कॉल करके इन्फॉर्म कर दो. बट 45 to 50 मिनट्स अप्रॉक्स लगते हैं उन्हें भी आने में. तो विस्पी सर स्ट्रेट अवे केम फ्रॉम द बैंक वेयर ही वॉज वर्किंग. वहाँ से वो आए, उन्होंने डिस्कस किया पूरा मैटर, उन्होंने समझाया, उन्होंने काउंसलिंग की. फिर भी उसे समझ नहीं आ रहा था. फिर भी रूम खोला, बिठाया, बातें की, फिर भी वो वापस से वॉलेंट हो रहा था. तो सर ने फिर उसे अपने तरीके में समझाया. वो कॉन्शियस नहीं था. फिर सर ने ही उसे वापस से, बेहोश हो गया था, वापस से सर ने उसको ठीक भी किया. फिर सर ने समझाया. 1091 की टीम भी आ गई थी. लास्ट में फाइनली पूरा मैटर सॉल्व हुआ. उसे फाइनली समझ में आया कि क्या एक्चुअल में उसे करना चाहिए था और वो क्या कर रहा था. द मेन मोटो इज़ व्हाट, हम सोचते हैं कि लोअर क्लास है, लोअर मिडिल क्लास है, वहाँ पे जो वुमेन्स हैं उनके साथ ये सारी चीज़ें होती है. बट एक्चुअल में ऐसा नहीं है. एक्चुअल में ये है कि अपर क्लास है, अपर मिडिल क्लास है, वहाँ पे भी वुमेन्स के साथ ये सारी चीज़ें होती है. पर वो छुपा लेती है कि हमारा स्टेटस इफेक्ट होगा, ये सारी चीज़ें होगी. मैंने पर्सनली सर से जो ट्रेनिंग लिया, मेरे में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस है, कोई आके तो बताए. तो हमें चुप नहीं रहना है. हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि हम अगर एक्सपोज हो जाएंगे या फिर हम अगर बता देंगे हमारे साथ ये गलत हो रहा है तो सामने और 10 बातें करेंगे सोसाइटी वाले, करते रहेंगे. हम क्यों सहन करें? हमें उसका अच्छे से स्ट्रांगली जवाब देना है. कॉन्फिडेंस जो है वो ये सेल्फ डिफेंस की ट्रेनिंग से अल्टीमेटली हमें मिलता है.
आई थिंक जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, वुड यू लाइक टू से समथिंग? ओके, तो जैसे मतलब इन्होंने बात बताई, चुप नहीं रहना. मैं आपको बताऊं, कभी कोई लड़का आता है आपको तंग करने को या आपको छेड़ने को, ट्रस्ट मी, वो आपसे ज़्यादा डरा हुआ होता है. वो सिर्फ आपके डर का इंतज़ार करता है कि आप ज़्यादा डरें तो वो फ़ायदा उठाए. चुप मत रहना. चिल्लाना, चीखना, पत्थर उठाना, मारना, भागना, जोर से चिल्लाना, ये सारी चीज़ें आई एम श्योर आप लोग सभी सीखे हैं. आप सबको पता है कैसे क्या करना चाहिए. और मैं यही कहूँगा, जो आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, सहेलियाँ हैं, आपके इवन फैमिली पीपल है, रिलेटिव्स हैं, उन्हें भी कहिए आके सीखें. बिकॉज unfortunately we have to learn to take care of ourselves and that is the important thing. Okay? Yes ma'am, go ahead.
Good noon everybody, dignitaries here. I'm very thankful to this women's self-defense thing. I'm stay nearby, I'm in the vicinity, I'm aware ये program कुछ चल रहा है, but I never came all these years. My daughter, she came because she had vacation. I said आप जाओ. She said mama you must go and attend. I said I'm 50 plus, my fitness is not much. I'm telling you as a senior citizen, not exactly a senior citizen, but here, yeah.
You made me also.
No. But after coming here, first day I was thinking I'll not be able to cope up. You know, पहले warm up में अरे भाई सांस फूल गई. But I'll tell you, and you all should be very proud of it, the faculty what you got over here, because I'm a professor, I'll talk like that. A faculty, they cater to each and every slow learners, fast learners, मेरे जैसे पीछे रहने वाले को भी धीरे से अच्छी तरह से संभाल के they give us the confidence. So apart from self defense, working on our psychology, fear अपना निकाल दिया है. Correct? You all will agree with me. And as a professor, I think in this last 1 month, I finished 1 month. I like a loudspeaker. I go on telling each and every student of mine in the college, whomsoever I meet, please go and tell your daughters to attend this. It is a must. आणि आदित्य मला वाटतं आपले 4 सेंटर्स आहेत, पण दॅट इज नॉट इनफ. आपण जास्त सेंटर जर वाढवले तो it will reach out to more number of people and more people will get benefited out of it. And secondly, I think इतना अभी तक अपना awareness नहीं पहुंच रहा है सब तक. If I tell people it's here, they say is it? हमको पता नहीं है. There was another thing I could come to know, and yes, 90% of the people they'll say, "हमको अक्षय कुमार के साथ photo निकालने मिलेगा." That is why 90% girls join. I know when I hear to teenagers, I'm used to listening to teenagers. You learn so much from them if you want to learn. So of course that is there, but still we should have more and more people encouraged to join this program, and which is I think is a must. As you say, not only for today, we are prepared for tomorrow and face anything in life wherever you are. Thank you so much.
You want to talk? Come. Tell your name. And where are you? कहाँ से हैं आप?
So I'm born in Korea.
हाँ, कोरिया से?
No, my surname is Korea.
Okay.
I'm born and brought up in Mumbai, but I'm married now. I'm in Navsari. Friends, I would like to share with you one real incident of my childhood friend. So we were in school together, but I will say only for 2 to 3 days I went out, and when I came back, I lost my friend. She was alive, but there was no soul in it. She met with an incident when I saw her, when I went to meet her. She had scars over here, she had over here, her knees were broken, her head was damaged, her tooth was broken. It was an attempt to rape. We were just 11 years old, so I also didn't understand what had happened to her. As we went on schooling, further in school they started teaching me about, they give you knowledge about sex and all, so we came to know, she came to know actually what is going on, and she told me, hey Bonnie, it was attempt to rape. That guy didn't want gold and all from me, he was trying to do something with me. That girl was so lively, wherever she used to go, in parties, in school, everywhere she used to take part. But after that incident, she was totally lost. She was nothing. In fact, to remove that fear from her, her father, my father, put us together in karate. We reached up to brown belt. In karate class, she used to stand, she used to do everything. She used to give her exams, but if you'll tell her, say something, can't speak. There was one frozen point. Even somebody will go, she will go to the market to get something. No, I won't come, she would say. We had totally lost her. We were knowing everything about her. We got married in same Navsari city. Our kids went for Kudo class. There our sir insisted us come do females. He kept on saying, so I just asked her, let's go. She said, yes, let's join. In the class, whenever the topic is to come, oh, this will help you in rape, she would be like this. No, I can't do it. I just can't do it. Then there was one good system was introduced by our sir over there, that whatever form you fill up, behind the form you got to write your fear factor. My friend never allowed us to speak about her anywhere, but I gathered some courage. I wrote about her entire story with a request note to sir that nobody should come to know about her, and that I have revealed this fact. In fact, the entire people, our staff, dealt with her so well. Wherever she used to be, I can't speak, they made her strong. Today, she's totally different personality. Now, she will yell, we have to tell her, please, please control yourself. So she will be like, she'll walk behind me. Now, what happened? Tell me, what happened? What happened? She'll just come straight forward and she'll walk. So, today she's not here, sir. She settled out somewhere, but when she came to know that I'm coming here, I'm come third time over here. Yesterday she calls me up and she tells, please, speak my incidents. Tell, not only the youth, but all the girls. Because the 11 years children don't understand what is rape. They don't know what is happening to them, and they lose their whole life. Everything. she used to sir leave everything. उसके दो बच्चे हैं, बच्चे को संभालती है, सब है, लेकिन she is not there. I really thank you for giving my precious gift what I have lost.
Okay, that was amazing. Thank you very much. You shared a story which I will always remember. We all will remember it. It is important, again, as she also said, don't freeze. Don't just stand there. Do something. Move. Nobody has a right to take away anything from you. You are a very important person in India. You all are very important. और कोई बोलना I'm so happy about this exercise. You know why I do this exercise? So we all share, we come in one room and we talk to each other. This exercise is also you'll always remember it for your life.
Congratulations, sir. And God bless you for giving us this opportunity. Because it has made us really stronger.
Your name.
Yeah, my name is Grishma Mehta. I'm a stage actor from 6-7 years, Gujarati theatre.
Okay.
So we have shows late night and my parents will be really scared. And sometimes shooting also ends at 1 or 2 o'clock. And I have done some serials, not much. But so they were not really encouraging me into this profession because of the reasons, because of late nights. But this has instilled so much courage in me. And now I can bindas go alone in a train late night, and I think I'm going to make future in this. So now this has instilled so much confidence that I'm going to make this my profession, And one more thought related to our profession, because you've reached such a stage, I would like to suggest you, why not you make a movie on self-defense, women's self-defense, where you are like a coach, like in Chak De, where you train. Where you train a team of ladies from all age, all stratas, married, and then you train them so vigorously, not against to fight against a team, but to fight against all the evil men in the society. And I'm sure it would not only be very educating, but very entertaining, because when these professors teach us, it's very serious, but still we end up laughing because of the situations, the way we walk on streets, all the sirs, they make us laugh. So I'm sure this film will be very entertaining.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure it will. Okay, now I would request. Yeah, you also. Yes, ma'am.
नमस्कार आणि जय महाराष्ट्र.
जय महाराष्ट्र.
मला माहिती आहे अक्षय सर, भूमी आणि आदी सगळे मराठी बोलतात आणि छानपैकी बोलतात. तर माझं फक्त 1 मिनिट मी मराठीतच बोलणार. आदित्य आय एम फ्रॉम ॲक्च्युली मी घोडबंदर रोडची महिला शिवसेना उपविभाग संघटक आहे आणि रिअली व्हेरी 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 थँकफुल. खूप लक्ष धन्यवाद तुझे की घोडबंदरला आमच्या हा एक चांगला म्हणतात ना संधीचा फायदा आम्हाला झाला आणि तिथल्या लोकल कॉर्पोरेटर्सनी, बिकॉज मला त्यांचंही इथे धन्यवाद म्हणायचे आहेत. आणि शिवसेनेने चालू केलेला हा सगळ्यात मोठा आणि खूप मोठा होणारा प्रकल्प जो आता सध्या ठाण्यात आम्ही छोटे छोटे मावळे तिकडे करत आहोत, म्हणजे महिला मावळेसुद्धा हे स्पेशली सांगते आहे. आणि आत्ता जी पहिली आणि दुसरी बॅच आहे ती तुमच्या समोर उभी आहे, जी 120 आपल्या 120 मुली होत्या त्यातल्या फक्त 80 जणींनी पासआउट केलेला आहे. तर त्या सगळ्या इथे आहेत. सो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. धन्यवाद.
Now I would like Bhumi to speak something, what her experience is. She's not learned any martial art, but whatever she has listened to and whatever she knows, would you like to start?
Definitely. Okay. Firstly, hello everyone. I really want to congratulate Akshay sir and Aditya for starting this. This is such a great initiative. As a girl, I'm born in Bombay. I've lived here my entire life, and through years I've seen women being tortured, beaten up, raped, molested, and even when you hear on the news, हमेशा सोचते कि यार क्या करे. बहुत गुस्सा आता है, मतलब रोना छूट जाता था कभी कभी, फ्रस्ट्रेशन होती थी. आई रिमेंबर जब मैं कॉलेज जाती थी, माई मॉम वुड ऑलवेज टेल मी, अगर गाड़ी नहीं होती थी रिक्शा में, कि बैग ना अपने सामने रखना. और मैं सोचती मैं बैग क्यों सामने रखूँ. वाई डज एनीबडी हैव द राइट टू कम टच मी इनअप्रोप्रिएटली. बट आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू ऑल द स्टोरीज दैट यू गाइज हैव सेड टुडे, आई एम सो इंस्पायर्ड. And really, Akshay sir, if I get a chance, I hope I do get one very soon. I would like to come join this initiative and learn self-defense myself. It is so important to empower women. हमारे घर में बोला जाता है कि रात को लेट मत जाओ, ये मत करो, लड़कों से दूर रहो, स्ट्रेंजर्स से बात मत करो. ये सब बोलने के बजाय हमारे घरों में जो सर सिखा रहे हैं ये सिखाना चाहिए, दैट बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, एम्पावर योर सेल्व्स, लोगों से डरो मत. यू शुड नॉट बी स्कैर्ड ऑफ द ऑपोजिट सेक्स, क्योंकि भगवान ने आपको उसी इंटेलिजेंस, उसी स्ट्रेंथ के साथ पैदा किया है. आप उनसे बिल्कुल भी कम नहीं हो. So high five to all of you, more power to all of you, and I pray really hard. Congratulations, you all are such a big inspiration, and thank you both of you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Neeta Menezes, and my experience has been totally different. I have a 12-year-old son who is doing karate for the last 3-4 years with sir and with this group. And it is he who has been inspiring me, because when I would go for the Khandala camp, I would meet Mehul sir, I would see all of them, and I would always tell Mehul sir, kuch karo, the parents are just sitting there and doing nothing, we are enjoying the resort, but we are not able to do something. And sir would say, no, let's do something. And he started off with us, training us a little bit. And then when the self-defense course started, I remember it was the first or second batch in Khandala, and sir trained us so well. It was the first time that I had that experience where I could actually shout. And sir would say, English mein gali mat dena, Hindi mein dena. And I was never comfortable, giving a gali in Hindi, but that was the experience. He said, chillao, jitna jor se chilla sakte chillao. And you can see my voice now. If anyone comes in front of me, they are gone. So that's been the experience. And then I got this opportunity again when this camp happened here. I'd been delaying it for quite some time. But then I said, no, I need to do it. And this last month, I met Megha and I met Jatin sir, who told me, क्या हो रहा है, आप कब से बोल रहे हो, आप join कर रहे हो, क्या होगा? I said, no, I'll come this time. And it's been such a wonderful experience. It's amazing, and I've been motivating everyone to come and join this, because it is very, very important. Simple things like right from the day one, they have taught us about being aware. Don't put yourself into a situation. That's the most important thing. It's not just about going and beating. कि अभी I learned self-defense, तो अभी कोई भी आए, चलो मैं उसको मारूंगी. So sirs have taught us very well that first, don't put yourself into a situation. Second, if you are into a situation, how do you handle it? Observe. Don't be on the mobile. I've seen a lot of people when I'm driving, they are with earphones. They are not aware of their situation, who is following them, they don't know anything. So the first important thing, girls, is be aware. And this is such a wonderful thing that you have been doing, Thackeray sir and Akshay. It's amazing, and I hope this spreads and all the women come here and take care and do this session.
I would say,
thanks to Mehul sir and
I would just say, give a big hand to yourself, ladies. Ma'am, would you like to say something? But that's fine. You want to say any small? You want to say something?
These small girls.
Any?
Gia.
You want to say? No. Come, you come. Just give me 5.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Loudly. You are going to speak very loudly.
Loudest.
Hello, everyone. Go ahead.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
I say that sometimes when I'm on the street, at first time I was small, some puppies on the dogs were going to trouble me. I was very scared. But when I joined it this second time, when some pets
Sweet.
So she got rid of the dogs. Remember. Remember, men are dogs. Well, congratulations. That's it. Anything else you want to say?
So now
That's
we're all
it?
scared of dogs?
All right. Good.
Hello everyone, I'm from the Thane batch. It was very first experience with self-defense. I was always, I knew it was there in Andheri. I was craving that I want to learn. Because I'm a student. We girls, we like to dress up nicely and all, but we have always been told that houses, don't go like this, shrug pen ke ja, aise ja, gents mein mat jana, friends ke sath, don't be with the guys much. But then, this is not it. We have to. You can't limit me because I'm a girl. So, when I came here, I actually got the confidence. If somebody is staring at me, I can क्या देख रहा है? पहले होता था कि ठीक है बाबा इधर उधर देख लिया, try to ignore, but not now. You have no right to look at me. And secondly, even I have a sister, she's 8. It is really important to even make aware the little girls, because she auto se jati hai school, auto se aati hai, there are peons in the school, but then again it is dangerous. So I have also tried to make her that just be aware the whoever is touching you, how the person is touching you. You need to know whether it's a good touch or a bad touch, and you should rebel. You should never कोई गोद में उठा रहा है, no मुझे नहीं पसंद, मम्मी ने मना किया, shout. So and I really thank whole team, they are very friendly and they actually like एक time के वजह से सर नहीं हो रहा है, कैसे नहीं हो रहा है, that courage, and I would really like to be part of this, because I'm from Dombivli and places like that they are not yet known to this. So I'm starting to take initiative from my building where women are trying. इतना सीखा नहीं है, पर whatever, like basic using tea and all, they can do that. ये basic तो कर सकते हैं. So I'm thinking of that.
Thank you very much. I would request Aditya to speak something, to say something, what he has to say.
Thank you firstly Bhumi for coming here today and Akshay ji for this initiative. कारण मला आठवतं जेव्हा पहिल्यांदा क्लास सुरू करायचं चालू केलं आम्ही, मला वाटतं it was 2013, and I received a call from Mehul ji, who's been your headmaster professor here. आणि मला फोन आला की सेल्फ डिफेन्स क्लासेस करायचे आहेत, कारण त्यावेळी I remember युवा सेना had started a helpline for women after the Nirbhaya rape case, and we were getting all sorts of calls. We tried to help a lot of women, we were giving legal assistance, everything. पण मला मेहुल जीचा फोन आला की अरे आदित्य काहीतरी करायचं आहे चांगलं, आपण अंधेरी स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्सला करू शकतो का? सर नक्की, पण व्हॉट इज द प्लॅन? आणि त्यांनी सांगितलं अक्षय जी वॉन्ट्स टू गेट इन्वॉल्व्ड. आय सेड fair enough, but I've never met him before. I don't know, how many times will he teach, or how passionate he is about this. And he had a brief meeting with him for 15 minutes in a car when he was going to shoot. I think you were shooting in Film City and we met near Andheri. आणि तेव्हा त्यांनी मला सांगितलं की आदित्य आपल्याला हे असं असं करायचं आहे आणि आय वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट ऑफ दिस, यू टेल मी हाऊ डू यू वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट. तेव्हा आम्ही अंधेरी स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स म्हणजे शहाजीराजे क्रीडा संकुलमध्ये सुरू केलं. And from then on, we've been coming here for every graduation like what you have today. For us, it's absolutely a matter of great pride when we see you all come out and speak about your incidents, about your stories, about real life stories, and your confidence after this class. But it's also a matter of shame that we have to hold such classes for women in our country. अर्थात वेगळे वेगळे रूपांमध्ये आपण महिलांचं एक पूजन करतो. इन आवर टेम्पल्स वी सी सरस्वती, वी सी लक्ष्मी, and the only reason that we also worship women is there are three major forms of goddesses. One is Lakshmi, Saraswati, and the third form is Durga. So most men have seen Lakshmi, they've seen Saraswati, but when they need to be seen Durga, I think you must show them what Durga Ma is all about. आपलं नाव काय?
मी सौ स्नेहा संजय भोपतकर.
आपण ठाण्यात तर हे जोरात करतो, मला वाटतं अजून एक मोठं सेंटर येतच आहे, पण आपल्या महिलांना तुम्ही ट्रेन करता नुसतं एवढंच की आंदोलनात जरा जपून मूव्ज वापरा, प्रोटेस्ट करताना नाही. पण मला आनंद आहे तुम्ही एवढ्या जोराने ठाण्यात पुढे नेताय. खरोखर तुम्ही पण सेंटरशी कोऑर्डिनेट करा आणि ते वाढवतं कसं येईल ते बघणं गरजेचं आहे. वी लुकिंग फॉर मोर girls like you to come in, more ladies to come in, and as many as people you can spread the word to, please do spread the word, because this is a genuine effort. We are not charging anyone a single rupee on this, and Akshay ji has left his complete passion into this. He's completely dedicated about this. We speak about this every 15 days about how to take this ahead, but how to take this to other centers, other cities. The whole team with Mehul ji, Wispy, both of them, and the whole lot is working very hard. So the only thing we expect from you is to spread the word to as many as your friends and family as possible, and that's when we'll be really happy. Thank you.
Okay, so now we do it
So
like
let them
this.
sit like this. Apan tasa basat we'll do that.
So we'll
So
go
everybody
here.
will stay there.
Huh? You want to say something? Come.
You can stay from there only, not a problem.
Hello everyone, I stay in Vasai and I'm from Andheri batch. I want to share one incident when I was small. So मैं जब छोटी थी, I think I was in 6th, 7th standard. मैं जब भी स्कूल जाती थी ना, इट वाज मार्केट एरिया, तो जब भी जाती थी मैंने नोट सर
Yeah.
एंड शी इज माय डॉटर.
Oh, she's your daughter. Ah.
पहले से अभी मुझे अप्रैल में पता चला कि यहाँ पे ये सेंटर चल रहा है, तो सबसे पहले तो यही आया कि सर से मिलना है. बाद में मैं सोची ये फायदे की चीज़ है, हमें सीखनी है, मैं तो सीखूंगी, मेरी बेटी को भी सिखाऊंगी. कल जाके अगर वो कहीं अकेली जाती है तो मुझे कोई डर नहीं, वो अकेले जाके अकेले आ सकती है.
How I caught you, like how you said, ये फायदे की चीज है तो गुजराती.
अच्छा, everybody remain seated there. We are coming there for pictures. Don't move. Just stay there.
हॅलो गुड मॉर्निंग. मी मराठीतच बोलीन कारण मी खरंच मराठी आहे आणि मी जपते यार, महाराष्ट्र आहे, बोला मराठीत, कशाला लाजता.
हो, कशाला लाज.
लहानपणापासून आई मला सांगत आली की जा यार कराटे का शिक, जरा कराटे शिक. मी म्हटलं मला नाही शिकायचं, ती मुलं शिकतात, मी कशाला जाऊ शिकू. त्याच्यानंतर मग ज्या वेळेला तो निर्भयाचा जो काही इन्सिडेंट्स घडला, सगळं झालं, पण तेव्हासुद्धा मला सांगितलं की तू जाऊन शिक, पण तेव्हा पण म्हटलं की नाही मला नाही शिकायचं. ज्या वेळेला हे ठाण्याची ब्रांच जेव्हा ओपन होत होती आणि मला जो मेसेज आला की असं असं ओपन होतं आहे, वुमन सेल्फ डिफेन्स आहे, फ्री आहे, मी बऱ्याच जणांना सांगायचा प्रयत्न पण केला की चला माझ्यासोबत. कोणी आलं नाही, पण मी म्हटले की नाही मी पहिले जाणार. आणि त्याच्यानंतर मी माझ्या एका बिल्डिंगमधल्या एका फ्रेंडला घेऊन गेले, तिने तिचं कंप्लीट केलं, आम्ही दोघींनी एकत्र कंप्लीट केलं. आणि मी खरंच सांगते, आपण आपल्या फ्रेंड्सना विचारलं ना 3 तासाच्या पिक्चरला जाऊया का, लगेच तयार होती. पण एवढं विचारलं 1.5 तास सेल्फ डिफेन्सच्या ट्रेनिंगला चालला नाही यार, ते मी नाही करणार, ते नको आपल्याला. पण पिक्चर त्याच्यासाठी 3 तास वाया घालवलं तरी चालतील, पण ज्या वेळेला त्यांच्या स्वतःसोबत चालेल घडेल ना, त्या वेळेला सांगतो की यार सेल्फ डिफेन्स खरंच घेतलं असतं ना तर आपल्या उपयोगात आलं असतं.
टॉयलेट बघायला जा.
सर तुमचा पिक्चर आहे ना, म्हणजे मला असं सांगावं, खरंच सांगावंसं वाटतं, मी आणि माझा दादा तुमचे खूप मोठे फॅन आहोत, खूप आधीपासनं. आणि तुमचा जो पिक्चर आला आहे नवीन,
येणार
आहे टॉयलेट, माझ्या दादाचा सगळ्यात फेवरेट विषय.
हाँ,
प्रेस के क्वेश्चन पहले करना है.
पहले वो करना है. Okay, so we'll just take a photograph or we'll do the.
I think we'll do that first.
So then.
Maybe it's okay. Stay there.
So what do you want?
So you stay there. Let him ask you first, and then we'll do it. Because once we get up, there'll be chaos.
First question.
Yeah, and we'll do that.
Okay, so any of the press people who wants to ask something related to martial arts, go ahead. No political questions, no film questions, only about martial art. Yes. You have to start training because I can't hear you. देखिए, इट्स अ नोन फैक्ट. मैं आपको तजुर्बे की बात बताता हूँ. ये मैं पहले एक प्रेस में बता चुका हूँ, लेकिन आज आप मुझे लगता है पहली बार आया, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. और ये जितनी लड़कियाँ हैं उनको भी बताता हूँ. एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट हुआ था टोरंटो में, कनाडा में. एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था जब एक प्लेन लैंड हुआ था, क्रैश लैंडिंग किया था पानी के ऊपर. और जब वो दरवाज़ा खोला गया तो सब बचे हुए थे, कोई मरा नहीं था. लेकिन जब वो खोला गया, डू यू नो व्हाट इट वाज स्मेलिंग ऑफ? इट वाज स्मेलिंग ऑफ यूरिन. एंड डू यू नो 92% men had peed in their pants and 26% of women had peed. So यहाँ से आपको पता चल जाता है जब डेंजर आता है ना, तो सबसे पहले आदमी का जो DNA वो हिल जाता है. एंड दैट इज़ अ नोन फैक्ट. इसमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, इट इज़ अ साइंटिफिक फैक्ट. आप कभी भी देख लीजिए, घर में कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो एक औरत होती है, वो पकड़ के रखती है, अपने पूरे परिवार को ऐसे पकड़ के रखती है. एक आदमी हिल जाता है, अगर मैं देखूं ज़्यादा करके सुसाइड केस भी होता है तो आदमी होता है, वहाँ से किसने जम मारा, फला फला आदमी था। कभी मैंने ये नहीं सुना कि एक लड़की ने जम मार दिया, बहुत रेयरली होता है। सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स प्रूव दैट men are little weaker. Yes, physically they must be stronger, but mental way, in their way of thinking, that they are a little bit lesser than women. आप मीडिया से हैं तो आप बोलिए जोर जोर से, तो बस आप अपने उसमें बोलिए, अपना होना होगा हो जाएगी, अपने आप होना होगा हो। देखिए सर, होना होगा हो जाएगी। फिलहाल हम सेल्फ डिफेंस के बारे में बात करें। मैं सारे प्रश्न आज आप ही पूछोगे। ये सब मुझे नहीं पता, रहने दीजिए। हाँ, बेहुल जी से पूछो।
See, first of all, we are providing it free of cost. We already have everything that is there. So, दुर्योधन और अर्जुन गए कृष्ण भगवान को मिलने, उनसे पूछा कृष्ण भगवान ने आपको क्या चाहिए, तो दुर्योधन ने बोला मुझे आपकी 1 लाख यादव सेना चाहिए। अर्जुन बोला मुझे एक ही यादव चाहिए। तो मेरे पास वो दोनों है, वी हैव एवरीथिंग।
What? Yeah, he is a legend, no doubt he is a legend. उनसे बड़ा एक्टर कोई नहीं है पूरी इंडस्ट्री में, and we have been seeing him from black and white time, and we all should have a small prayer whenever you get time, just to pray that he gets well soon, as fast as possible.
Last question.
What do you feel about educating boys, especially in schools, and even men, to not touch women or girls indecently, and the power and the importance of consent? So do you think that is actually more important and a better way? This is like prevention. What you are doing, defense here, is a good way, but it is like a preventive measure. But
See, I am sure their parents do that. It is a job of a parents to do that, to teach them. All right? I am doing the job of not happening. I cannot sit with every parent and teach them, but I can surely do this. So this is another way of tackling a problem.
in schools, don't you think there should be some kind of education where
I'm sure there are places. That's why I keep on saying self-defense is the most important thing for every school. It should become a compulsory thing in every school. So I hope it happens.
So I think in India, whether you're from a city or you're from a smaller city, our problems are the same. Like, you know, जैसे एक लड़की ने कहा कि मम्मी पापा कहते हैं, I'm from a fairly modern family, you know, we've been provided with everything. But तब भी अगर मैं younger, I would like wear something that was shorter, or you know, where more of my body would be seen. My mother would tell me, please cover up and go. So I think the previous question that was also asked, that we need to educate our boys that women are not their जागीर, you know. तो छोटे शहरों में स्पेशली जो वहाँ की मेंटालिटी होती है, जो एक मेल सुप्रीमेसी मेंटालिटी होती है, वो तोड़ने की ज़रूरत है, जो सिर्फ नॉलेज और एजुकेशन से होगा. एंड आई फील एवरी मदर नीड्स टू गो टेल हर सन दैट just because you've seen your father treat me badly, that doesn't mean you are allowed to treat the women in your family and around you badly. You know, we don't have good examples in our society because we've seen our fathers manhandle our mothers. We've seen it around us and it is really sad, but I think parents need to now take the onus upon themselves, telling them there's so many stories out in the media, like, you know, रोज़ हम देखते हैं औरतों के ऊपर किसी ना किसी वायलेंस की कहानी आती है, और वो शहरों में है, छोटे शहरों में, हिंदुस्तान में हर जगह हो रहा है. वो एग्जाम्पल लेके मदर्स को समझाना पड़ेगा कि ये गलत है. You know, I think तभी हम एक चेंज देख पाएंगे. And of course, prevention, what Akshay sir is doing, that is empowering women. So it is 50-50.
Are you from the media?
Thank you, Chaya.
GST.
Announce the batch. Girls, be there.
Okay.
12 तारखेला 12th of August.
Don't stand. All media people, please. 1 second.
Just have a small announcement. 12th of August अपनी नवीन बैच शुरू होते हैं ठाणे आणि मुंबईला. Please spread the word. Everyone in the media, please spread the word.
So, thank you very much, ladies. Thank you very much, and thank you very much, photographers. Thank you very much, media people, for coming. This is a small little way of prevention. Try, I would plead all you media people to spread it as much as possible. Thank you very much.
She's added real life politics into sort of an incident that she wants to talk about. She's told me.
No, I'll listen. Alright, baby. If you want to come for the next batch,
Yeah, I will.
then you come and talk about it.
Sure.
Stay there. अक्षय सर बाजू 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 हटो इकडे इकडे पुढे 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 टायर में पाँव संभालो, पाँव संभालो, साइड लो सके, चलो साइड लो।